Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Wisdom International School's digital classroom for mathematics. Okay, so children, we are going to look at algebraic identities in this class. So far we finished the remainder theorem and factor theorem and problems based on these two, right? Hope you people have completed the exercises. Alright, so now we'll look at the algebraic identities. Okay, so there are these four identities which I have written over here. These are very common identities. You would have learned it in your junior classes, right? So all of you must be knowing this, but still, I have just written this down. So those who have not memorized it, please memorize it. Okay, so x plus y the whole square is equals to x square plus 2xy plus y square. So I hope you all remember this, right? X minus y the whole square is written as x square minus 2xy plus y square. X plus y, x minus y can be written as x square minus y square. And if you have x plus a and x plus b, that is, if you have two terms with two different terms over here, like here you have got a a, here you have got a b, two different numbers, and if these two numbers are same, then you can use this formula. Okay, x square plus a plus bx plus a into b. Okay, so now we are going to do few problems from your exercise 4.5, and based on this, as we do the examples, I'll explain how to approach these questions. Okay, so the question number 1, so I've just picked randomly the fourth problem in first main. So it says y square plus 3 over 2 and y square minus 3 over 2. So this resembles your identity 3. Okay, I have written 4 by mistake. Let me just change it. Okay, so this is identity number 3. Okay, so this is of the form x plus y and x minus y is equals to x square minus y square. Right? Okay, so now this formula could be used in this particular question. So here if you look at it, in place of x you have got y square, in place of y you have got 3 over 2, right? So we are going to use this formula. So the answer is x square minus y square. So in place of x I am going to put y square, and that's also being squared. It's x square, right? So x is y square, and x square will be y square of square, right? Minus 3 by 2 the whole square. Okay, so y square of square will become y, 2 into 2 gets multiplied and you get a 4 over here. Y to the power of 4 minus 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4. Okay, so this is how you'll do it. So you will first look at the question carefully and see it looks like which identity it resembles, which identity, and then accordingly you will find the x and y and proceed. Okay, now let's look at question number 2. So here, see, there are no variables, no alphabets being given. There are only two numbers, 103 multiplied by 107. Now, if you actually go on multiplying this, that's going to be a very long process, right? And if in test they ask you to solve this using the identity, you are going to change this into the numbers into a form such that you can write the identity. You can use the identity. Okay, so 103 could be written as 100 plus 3, right? And 107 could be written as 100 plus 7. So make sure that you are keeping these two numbers same. Okay, otherwise it doesn't make sense. Okay, if you write 110 minus 3, it doesn't make sense, right? You can write 110 minus 3 also. That also gives you 107. But then that doesn't suit any of the identities. So choose in such a way that, and also you should have the numbers over here in such a way which are easily, multiply. You can easily multiply them. All right. So 100 is the best number for that. So you take 100 plus 3 and 100 plus 7. Okay. So here x plus a, it's of the form x plus a, x plus b, identity 4. So here we will see what is your ax, what is your a, and what's your b. So in place of x you have got 100, in place of a you have got 3, and in place of b you have got 7. Okay. So now let us use the identity. So it says 100 plus 3, 100 plus 7 could be written as x square. So in place of x I have used 100. See, in place of a I have used 3. In place of b I have used 7. Again in place of x I have used 100. Then again for a I have used 3. And for b I have used 7. Got it? So now we will solve this. So 100 square is 100 into 100, right? So 100 into 100, how will you multiply it? For those who don't know this, I'll just do it. 100 into 100 could be written as 1 ones are 1. Okay, you multiply the 1 and 1, and there are 4 zeros, so you put 4 zeros. Okay, so 10,000 plus 3 plus 7 is 10 into 100. right? So 10 into 100, again, you know, 1 into 1 is 1 and 3 zeros are there, so you put 3 zeros plus 21. Now you add all of them. So that's going to be your answer. Understood? Now let's come to question number 3. It says 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. So you can see that this resembles the first identity. X plus y the whole square equals x square plus 2xy plus y square. So let's look at what is there in place of x and y. So in place of x square, you have got 9x square. See, I have marked it with a brown pen. So x square could be written as 3x the whole square. So your x could be written as 3x. Okay. Now y square, in place of y square, you have got y square itself. Look at the orange marking. Okay, y square is y square itself. So y equals to y. Alright, so now we will check for the middle term also. In place of 2xy, we have got 6xy. So let's see if it actually gives you 6xy. So for 2xy, let me put 2. X is 3x, so put 3x. And y is y, so put y. Okay, so 2 into 3x into y is going to give you 6xy. So that's perfectly satisfying. So our x is 3x and our y is y itself. So if you use the formula x plus y the whole square, so that's the formula you're going to write. X is 3x and y is y. So this the whole square. So this is the answer. Understood? So now for the homework, you finish all the other remaining problems from question 1, 2 and 3. Also copy down the questions which I have done. Okay, since it's from exercise. Okay, if it's from some example, you don't have to work it out, but if it's from an exercise, you please work that also in your classwork. All right, so inshallah, see you with the remaining identities in your next session. Okay, so we have few more 4 of the identities which are new. Okay, which are new, which you are going to learn in this class alone. I mean, in this class for the first time. Okay, so the 4 identities which I have taught today is the kind of a revision. We have already learned these in your 8th standard. So now in 9th standard, we will be looking at 4 more new identities that I'll be doing in the next session. Okay, Allah Hafiz then. See you next week, inshallah. Thank you.